Otis mod.
Going up.
Not sure what these were originally. Probably US. Yeah, US by the looks of it. Going up. So weird keypad. Bouncy.
Penthouse.
Yeah, definitely US. You can see that it's got like that shape. I don't know what to call it.
Going down.
It's the world. Oh my goodness, a monster company. What's a monster company? It's Monsters Inc. Oh my God, I didn't think it was a real company. It's Monsters Inc. It's actually a real thing, but you didn't know that. I always thought it was just a Pixar movie.
Going down.
There's your panel. This thing's kind of bouncy. Newport office building. Fucking Newport! That was butchered that. It's Chester Stone's building.
Ground floor. Main lobby.
Lobby. How's it going?
Going up.
It's Roku City. Anyway, there's the time. That's all.